Good day everyone. This is how you put the SD card and the port charger cover back on. This is Osman auction camera DJi. So the trick is this is already removed, and this in the back here you see this is a rubber cover. So when you press this bottom here, press it, push back. This one is pushed back now. Press it again and then pull this rubber out like that all the way. See, extended. So right now we push it back again, back, push the bottom, pull all the way, extend it like that. Okay, now hold your finger like that, and then this is the how you put it back like that. Hold your finger in the back. Done. To remove this again, push, pull it like that, it's off. When this one, now to put this one back in, if you this one it's already in like that, you should never be able to do it. Push the bottom, pull, put your finger in the back, hold it, pull this one all the way like that, and push just like that. Another trick about this battery, when you remove the battery, 1, 2, when you put it back, make sure you push in the same time in the both with your finger, both of them like that, and push. You can hear the clucking sound on both sides. If you see this light here, you see this color, you see this color, that means this battery is not fully in. So if you go underwater, the water can leak inside, and happened to me before. So make sure you press, and then you see, you don't see green, the orange color on both sides. Make sure the battery is completely flush and flat with the surface. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel. All the best. Hope to see you next video.